Starting around 02 November 2023, Algorand basically is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.82% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they most certainly thought. Algo truly has a sort of all-out market cap of $898,544,420, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $53,760,760, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. This by and large makes Algorand, Algo, in every way that really matters, positioning at 50 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Algorand in a real sense be certainly worth in 2023, which truly is very critical. Is Algorand an especially wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking? Will Algo cost generally outperform its record-breaking high, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking? These generally are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, which really is very critical. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023, as per the Algorand estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost explicitly is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of 12 cents, the normal kind of least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to generally be 12 cents in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Algo can explicitly arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of 13 cents, which explicitly is very critical. Algorand value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the fundamentally greatest cost for Algorand could explicitly stretch around 11 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 in every way that really matters is 10 cents with a fundamentally normal cost of 11 cents in a very large manner. Algorand value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand especially is supposed to in a real sense be at around a very least of 11 cents, so Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023 as per the Algorand estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo value sort of is supposed to in a real sense cross a for the most part normal value level of 12 cents. The normal really least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to fundamentally be 12 cents, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of 12 cents, with the truly normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars in an especially enormous way. Algorand value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand in every practical sense is supposed to sort of be at around a truly least of 11 cents, which really is very huge. Algorand cost can for the most part arrive at a kind of limit of 12 cents, with the genuinely normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars in a by and large significant way. Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand in every practical sense is fundamentally anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. The Algo cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme worth of 13 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand, Algo, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand truly is fundamentally anticipated to truly arrive at a sort of typical cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of 13 cents and at least 12 cents, or so they basically thought. Algorand passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost fundamentally has shown a genuinely decent increment of 4.99% in the very most recent 24 hours, or so they generally thought. From absolute most recent 7 days, the Algo in every practical sense was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 10.58%, exhibiting that Algorand passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost explicitly has shown a genuinely decent increment of 4.99% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, which especially is genuinely huge. Algorand especially has shown areas of strength for certainly of potential of late, and this could be essentially great chance to dive right in and explicitly put resources into an unpretentious way explicitly. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo in a real sense diminished by 51.857%, taking out an astounding fundamentally normal amount of 12 cents from its really current worth, which especially shows that Algorand in every way that really matters passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost essentially has shown an all things considered great increment of 4.99% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a kind of good basically purchase a valuable open door for pretty fast interest in a huge manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 53.61%, and the cost explicitly flowed from a truly least especially normal cost of 23 cents to truly most extreme by and large normal cost of 25 cents in the kind of beyond 90 days amazingly. Algorand by and large is somewhere near 39.37%, with the truly greatest pretty typical cost of the coin truly was around 17 cents, and the genuinely least in every way that really matters, normal cost of in every practical sense, was around 16 cents in especially beyond 4 months in a very huge manner. Algorand value conjecture 2023 facts. What will basically be Algorand certainly worth in 2023, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. The Algo cost by and large is estimated to fundamentally arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 13 cents, with truly least cost of 12 cents toward the finish of 2023 in a really significant manner. Does Algorand sort of have a future, or so they sort of thought? As far as value, Algorand truly has an exceptional certainly potential to for the most part arrive at new levels, showing how moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 in a real sense is 10 cents, with a truly normal cost of 11 cents in a very significant manner. It generally is conjecture that Algo will increment in esteem, truly further appearance how Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. As per the Algorand figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost generally is supposed to in a real sense cross a very normal value level of 12 cents. The normal kind of least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to sort of be 12 cents, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. As indicated by really unambiguous specialists and business experts, Algorand can especially raise a ruckus around town, the greatest cost of $3.93 till 2030, which generally is very huge. Is Algorand certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in a by and large significant manner? Algorand's worth fundamentally is supposed to sort of keep on extending, as lack will in generally empower cost rise, so Algorand value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand for the most part is supposed to be at around a genuinely least of 11 cents. Kindly note, there explicitly is a gamble to any speculation, exhibiting how the Algo cost by and large is gauged to arrive at a greatest degree of 13 cents, with least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, in a sort of enormous manner. Just by and large put resources into what you can fundamentally achieve prior to reaching